Khanna, and this is my first visit in Mahindra Service Center. And everything went great. Like people here are very helpful, and they told me what problem there is. I told them, I briefed them everything in detail, and they gave me solution instantly. And like people were quite proactive. They did the servicing in a in I could say minimum time, in a couple of hours, and they have given me the vehicle immediately, and everything was great here. And the service, from what I have heard, has improved by a much gap, about a much margin. Like what service they provide while handling the vehicle from the showroom to the service center, everything was up to the mark.